ay nagpahayag ng kanyang salubin si SB19 Josh Cullen at ito po ay ibinahagi ng Inquirer.net. Narito po ang pahayag ni Boss. We were roasted by a lot of media and they told us how are you going to introduce P-pop to the world or to the Philippines. Nagkaroon kami ng discussion on how we're going to call ourselves and I told them P-pop po. P-pop ang tawag sa amin kasi ginagawa kaming K-pop Filipino. We respect genres and get inspiration. We're not gonna deny that. But the stereotype hurts us because we're Filipino. Right now, it's given. We don't really have to say a lot. It's more than enough for us na ini-invite ang mga tao to join this movement. SB19 Josh looking back at how the group was tagged as K-pop copycats when they were starting out. Samantala, muli nating ibahagi ang nasabi nga pong pagbabahagi ng mga fans, lalong-lalo na sa mga kabisadong SB19 dahil may mga fans na nakatanggap di umano ng mensahe mula kila Josh, Stel, and Ken. At ang sinasabi nila ay pare-pareho lang. Nakalagay doon ang pasasalamat like, thanks for being such an amazing fan. Your comments really caught my attention and I truly appreciate your support. Keep cheering me on as I continue bringing you more entertainment. You can send me a personal message on Telegram using my ID below. Ayon sa mga matatagal ng 18, sinabi nila na be vigilant cops. SB19 would never ask you to add them on Telegram. This is a scam. Immediately report the account on Weverse app. Sa ibang update pa rin, narito naman ang naging update ng NSG streaming team announcement. 18 mamaya na ang release. Let's go all out. Ready your accounts for all streaming platforms. Spotify counting period ends and restart every 8 a.m. Philippine time. Premium accounts way more on the chart. Take advantage of the free trials and promo. Share all informations about streaming to all social media platforms. So March 27 po, bukas na po yan. And yan po ang panawagan ng mga fans, 18. Grabe, ang bilis ng araw. Isang linggo na po ang nakalipas matapos ang pag-join ng SB19 sa Weverse. Kamusta na nga ba? Mula kay Just Uwan Facebook, 1 week after its debut on Weverse, SB19's community has surged past 109,000 plus members. It now holds the records as the most joined Filipino act community within its first week on the platform. DL Weverse now, TY. Tumutok lang po for more update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.